Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to convert your SQLite database table to a CSV file or a Excel file. So in the second video of this series I have shown you how to download and install this SQLite manager to manage your SQLite database, and this is just an extension for Firefox, and it's free, so it's really good to install this, and it makes it very easy to convert your table to a CSV file or a Excel file. So let's see how we can do it. So go at the top here and select view and just select export view, and it will open a new tab here which is called export wizard. And for example, I have this database called database.db, and I want to export this table which is called employee info, which has this data, to a CSV file first. So I will go to my export wizard. If here I don't see any table, so what I will do is I will right click this table from here, right click and click export table. Okay, and now you can see this table name here. Okay, and then what we will do is, because CSV file is a comma separated file, here field separated by, just select this comma, and field enclosed by, just select double quote if necessary, and then I will click OK. And then here you can change the name of your table, or you can leave it by default like this, but don't forget to give the extension .csv because it's a CSV file, right? So just save it like this and click save, and you can see here 9 records exported to the location. And once you have exported your file, you will be able to see it in your saved location wherever you have saved this CSV file, and just right click it, open with Excel, and you will be able to see all the data here which is separated by comma. Now suppose you want to export your table to a Excel file. You don't want this CSV file because for some reason it's not useful to you. So let's go to our database once again, and once again, for example, I want to save this or export this table as a Excel file now. So what I will do is, in the CSV tab, I will select first of all, first row contains the name of the column. Okay, so this row or first row will contain these name of the columns, and then because your Excel file is separated by tab, so just select this tab here, and this will remain the same, and I will click OK here, and this time I will give my file the extension .xls, which is an extension of Excel file, or you can give the extension of XLES, which will work fine also. So just give the extension XLS and save your file, and you can see here 9 records are exported. And once again I will go to my saved location, and you can see it here. Your employee info table is now saved as a Excel file, and I will right click and open it once again with Microsoft Excel and click yes, and you can see here your database is, or your table is exported as a Excel file here. and first row contains the name of the columns. Okay, so in this way you can export your database or database table to a CSV file or a Excel file. I hope you have learned something new this time. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.